In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sticky notes in OneNote. Whether you're using OneNote with the integrated notes feed or the Microsoft Sticky Notes app that syncs with it, the process for removing a note is straightforward and consistent. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can tidy up your notes with confidence. First, open OneNote on your device, or open the Sticky Notes app if that's where you manage your notes most often. If you use more than one device, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account everywhere so changes sync properly. This ensures that when you delete a note on one device, it stays deleted and doesn't reappear somewhere else. Next, locate the sticky note you want to remove and open it so it's in focus. Opening the note matters because the option you need appears on the note itself. If you're working with many notes, take a moment to verify you've selected the correct one. Double-check the content or color so you don't remove the wrong note by mistake. With the note open, look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu. Click or tap those three dots, then choose Delete Note. You may see a quick confirmation prompt. If you do, confirm the deletion. As soon as you confirm, the note disappears from your list. That change usually syncs within moments across your other devices and the web. A quick word of caution. Deleting a sticky note is typically permanent. If you remove the wrong one, act immediately. In many cases, you can use undo right away to reverse the action if you haven't navigated elsewhere yet. However, once you continue working or enough time passes, recovery becomes difficult or impossible, so it's always best to confirm before you delete. If you don't see the three dots at first, make sure the note is selected and not behind other windows. Try hovering your cursor over the note on desktop, or tap once on touch devices to reveal the controls. Resizing the note or expanding the app window can also bring the menu into view. The option is the same everywhere. Open the note, select the three dots, and choose Delete Note. To clean up multiple notes, simply repeat the same action for each one, taking a moment to review each note before you remove it. And that's all there is to it. Open the note, use the three-dot menu, and confirm Delete Note. You'll have a cleaner, more focused note space in just a few clicks,